How to enable chat on Roblox. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will simply guide you through the steps on how you can actually enable chat on Roblox, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now the Roblox chat is already enabled by default, but it's just actually hidden, and if you're thinking about finding that hidden option, then it's very simple, because all you have to do is just open up Roblox over here, go to roblox.com, sign into your account, and you can see there is no chat button even over here or wherever else I go. So where is the chat? Well, when you go to roblox.com and then you look at the lower right corner, which means at the bottom right corner over here, as you can fairly see, you'll find this little button that says chat. So all you need to do is just click on this chat button. Now when you click on chat, it says make friends to start chat and parting, so you need to have friends to actually visit and be able to chat. So if you have some of the friends, you can simply add them to your friends list, and then you can simply directly talk to them, add them, and then you should be able to go ahead and start chatting in Roblox. And this is simply how you can enable chat on Roblox. The option is hidden at the bottom right corner. We hope the video was helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.